Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn about 2-3 commands of MySQL. Already we have seen these commands, but still it is basic things, so you have to know this command, and it is very much required to revise this command. So today we are going to see insert command and select command, and if time permits we will see update command also. So let us start. This is our MySQL prompt. So I will log in with password. And I have database school, show databases, this command we can use to see our databases which we have created in previous class. Databases, spelling is wrong, so bases. Okay, so this is our all database, and we are working under MySQL database, so we will use MySQL database. Now we will see how many tables we have created. So show tables, we have created a student table. So we are going to see insert command already we have seen. We are going to see this this time select command, and insert command also one special type of insert command we have to see. That is, if we are not knowing values of all fields, and how to know, let's tell you, like describe students. So describe a student, we have in this table 4 fields: role, name, class and fee. So suppose we are knowing only role, name, class, but not knowing the fee given by the student. So at that time, how to insert a record in table? So first of all, we will write insert. Suppose we are knowing everything: roll number, name, class, fee. Then how to insert? Insert into, and table name is student, values, all things are known, then write serially, like roll number 106 integer, so without single quote. Then name is character string, so single quote will come, and name you write Sumit, comma, class integer, so you have to write in number 12, and fee, suppose for this we are knowing 3225. So in this case we are knowing everything, that is role name and role we are knowing, name we are knowing, class we are knowing, and fee we are knowing. So in this case everything is known, so it is very simple to write this command, and if we press enter then it will say OK. So now it has gone to our student table. Okay, but suppose we are not knowing fee and class, we are knowing only roll number and name. Okay, so in that time how to enter data in the table? So for that what you have to write, insert into same syntax student table, but which field we are knowing, that field name you have to provide in bracket, that is we are knowing role name and other things we are not knowing, class and fee we are not knowing. So insert into student role comma name into values we are knowing only two values. What? Role. So role is suppose 107 and name is Amar. Okay, Amar is a string, so you have to write in single quote Amar Kumar bracket close semicolon. So in this way you can easily insert those record whose all values are not known. Here we are knowing only roll number and name, their class and fees are not known. So in this way you can enter, press enter and query OK. So we will see the details which we have entered. अभी जो हमने डाला है इसमें उसको देखेंगे। तो देखने के लिए आपको सिंपल कमांड मालूम है, यू नो select or everything we want to see from this student table. So for everything, for all the things we use a star. A star means all things. It will not leave anything inside table, it will show everything. So star, select stars and select all from and table student. Then here you can see that it has 5 records. In previous class I entered 3 records and today I entered 2 records, 106, 107. Okay, so here last record is not having value class and fee because this two values are not available right now. अभी ये दोनों वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं है कि क्लास क्या हमें डालना है, 11 या 12. So we cannot fill it. Next, fee is also not known for this Amar Kumar, so we cannot add fee. So हम इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. How to, when we will know the fee and class, then how to update this two values. जब ये दोनों वैल्यू हमारे पास आ जाएंगे तो हम इसको दोबारा इसको कैसे वहाँ से रिप्लेस करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट वी विल यूज़ अपडेट कमांड, बट uh, today we are going to see this select and insert. We have seen this two command. Select we are going to see, select then update. Okay, so select command, select, one form of select you have seen here. This is your one form of select command, select a star from a student, so it will show everything. But many times we want to filter records as per our condition. That time we use select command in different ways. Okay, so suppose we want to select only roll and name from table, then how to write? So select roll, that time we will not use a star. It is very important to see here. We will not use a star that time. We will use what? Field name. Field name only it will give you desired result. So we want roll and name only. Other things we don't want to display. Then select roll name from student. From a student, select spelling is wrong, so just correct it. Select LECT, select. Now press enter. So here we can see the table is having everything, but in display it is coming only roll and name. So when you provide a specific name of field column, then it will give you this type of result. Okay, suppose you want to show only name and fee of the student. So what you will do, you will write here name and what you want, fee, from a student table. Okay, so in this way you can display only name and fee. So in this way you can display whatever you want from table. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next thing of select is how to display something from table on the base of a given condition. In this select, I did not apply any condition. You can see here there is no condition in this select command. Condition is given with the help of what? Where clause. Condition is given with the help of where clause. You can see here select, this one we have seen already. Next one is conditional. This third one already we have seen. Select two columns from student table, and this one is conditional select statement. So how to apply this uh, condition on our table? So let us start and see this. I want, first I will display everything. So this is our table, and I want only those students who are in class 11. Okay, so for that select all student, all from student, and condition is where class equal to 11. Select all student who belongs to class 11. So for that we have to write where class equal to 11. Where clause is only used to provide the condition in the select statement. Okay, so execute this command by pressing enter, and you will see here this is our main table, and this is our output on the base of given condition. This table is having only a student of class 11, and this table is having all the student of 11th and 12th and other classes. So this command is giving you select a star from student where class equal to 11. So in this way you can give different condition in select statement. Okay, one more example I will tell you. Suppose you want select a star from a student where I want fee less than 3000, fee less than 3000. Okay, so who are paying fee less than 3000, that will come in this output, and you can see that two students who are paying fee less than 3000. Similarly you can execute for more than 3000. Just you have to change the sign of this less than into greater than. So who are paying fee greater than more than 3000, that will come. So this is our select command. Next, insert we have seen, select we have seen. Then next is I want to show you update command. So first see this table is having one record where fee and class is not known. Okay, but now we are knowing that Amar is a student of class 12 and his fee is 3200. Okay, so how to give this two value in this table? So now for this we have to use update command. Here you can see one command, update. Here this command is update, syntax is update, then name of the table, and set name of the field, then equal to value, then where and condition. These things you have to keep in mind. Update, student, set, field name equal to value, where condition, where condition. So it will be cleared by example. What command we have to use? Update, update. What to update? Student. We have to update table, table student, table student. What to change? Set class equal to what? 12. But whose class we want to change? Class 12. We want to change class 12 of roll number 107. So roll number 107 will be changed. So how to write? Where you can write in a small as well as in capital, where roll equal to 107, 107 roll का class 12 करना है. So it will change the, it will update, you remember it as update, it will update the particular field. So very okay. Now you can see by selecting, select all from student, so we can see here clearly that in this it was null, but now it is 12. So it has been updated clearly. So in this way also we can update this fee, because fee we are knowing now. So how to update fee? Similarly you have to write update student, set, what to set? Fee equal to 3,225. Whose fee we have to change? We have to change fee of roll number 107. So where roll equal to 107. So in this way we can write this command. We will write to update the fee of, it is here null, but after this command it will change this. So just press enter and it will give you desired result. Query OK means without error it has come. Now select and see the difference. Here the null has become 3,225. So not only this null command null value can be updated, but also other value can be updated. Okay, like you can see here, this class, this Manoj Kumar class 11 is wrongly entered. It should be class 12 because it has fee 3200. So how to change this roll number 101 Manoj Kumar? We want to change class as 12. इसका क्लास 12 करना है, पहले से 11 किया हुआ है, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम इसको हाउ टू अपडेट, कैसे अपडेट करें. सो सिमिलरली you can write update student, then set class 12, then where roll is, किसका क्लास 12 करना है, रोल नंबर 101 का करना है. सो roll number 101, now it is clear. Update student, set class equal to 12 where roll is equal to 101. So now do this and it will give you query OK, and again you can write select start from student. So now you can see for Manoj Kumar also the class has been changed as 12. So today we have seen how to update and how to insert and how to select different records in a table, and you also practice this. Without practice you cannot learn, and for any doubt you can contact me and practice. We will meet in next video class. Till then, thank you very much.